Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. So I've still got the levels in from yesterday, and just to highlight that nothing's really changed. We're still very much ranging, no real direction here. You can see moving averages are flat, and our weekly bar is a range bar at the moment. There it is there. Okay, so not convinced we have a move. There's your 3 hour, which is really messy, and if you look at yesterday's price action, tails to the upside, tails to the downside, lots of barbed wire, lots of confusion. We do have a crossover of the fast moving averages, but we're still below the 150 EMA. This is still ranging as far as I'm concerned. If we drop down to the 1 hour, nothing really changes. So Thursday was sorry, not Thursday, Wednesday was a massive move down onto the bottom of the range, and then as expected we just drifted higher. So I'm not convinced of anything at the moment, so this is a clear sit in hands for me. It's not even a debate of what to do. What you do have here is possibly a different top for this range, and it's 18261, and then just above it you've got 18286. So for any longs to come into play, I'd want to break above this, come back and test this zone, but then I would be aiming for 18360, 18359. Once we're above 18359 and we've come back to test it, that would be my signal for the move to the upside, and long it will be. But for now, you can't. I mean, it's impossible to trade this. It just creates stress in your life. Granted, there have been pullbacks, but all these tails like this, that's barbed wire, that's confusion, and it's never easy to trade. Hindsight always is the perfect science, and you can put your levels into the left and say, yeah, only I was watching it, I could have got along in there. But the minute this started happening and this bar started forming, you would have panicked and got out. And then hindsight being a perfect science again, the pin bar on structure, right, and this pin bar here, big engulfing bar. Why didn't I get in there? But as soon as it started happening, you would have panicked and you would have got out. Anyway, so that's the nature of the beast when it comes to trading ranges. So I am leaving this alone. I don't think I want to get involved in this, and let's just clean this chart up just to finish off on the weekly. We do have a weekly inside bar, which is bullish, but we need follow through. So this bar can't finish as a range bar, it needs to finish with a bit of a green body on it. Then I'll change my tune, and we'll have the potential of breaking out of the range for a move to the upside. But until that happens, I am sitting quietly in my corner and watching this from a distance. So I'm not keen on it at the moment, not until we break through this bigger range. Once we break through the range, I'll be interested. Until then, I'm not interested. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.